Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're giving my car a little TLC at the drive-thru car wash. It's been a while, so let's get a good scrub and let's make it shine. As you can see, I am already in the car wash right now. I chose a deluxe car wash because I gotta treat my ride really right. And here I am entering the car wash. I love the feeling of going through the colorful tunnels. It looks like a mini amusement park for your car. And then right here, you're going to see me start vacuuming. I always start with the floor first because that is usually where all the crumbs and dirt are tend to hide. Let's see what treasures I find. As you can see, I found a piece of bread in my car that my son had, and he always gets my back of my seats really dirty. So I wanted to make sure I wipe that down. And since I have all season floor mats, I do see on TikTok that many people like to wash it outside with some Dawn soap and water and then allow it to air dry. But since I'm at the car wash, I'm just doing what I can and wiping everything down. So I'm wiping down all my surfaces. I'm going to start with all my seats and the back of the seats. I like to get in really good because it makes a difference when everything is clean and shiny. I also wanted to know, how often do you all wash your car? For me, I like to wash my car once every 2 weeks, but it really depends on the weather and how much I'm driving. What about you guys? This car wash that I like going to is near my daughter's dance practice, so I like to go here more often because it is convenient. But so far, I like to clean my car as much as possible because I know that I am thankful for what I do have, and if you want God to continue to bless you, you must treat what you have and be grateful for what you have, right? And I just want to take on those habits, and it's an investment. If you're paying monthly for your car, or even if you're not, it's still an investment that you have to put in. So it feels good to ride around with a very clean car. You can't allow that having kids to overpower yourself and say like, oh, my car isn't clean because I have kids. That is not an excuse. Your kitchen is clean and you have kids. Your bathroom is clean and you have kids. But anywho, we can go on and on about that. So as you can see, I like to keep the protector of my car seat for my son's car seat because I do have leather seats, so I like to keep it all clean. And I do limit eating in my car. My kids very rarely eat in my car. So I think that's why it's normally not that dirty. Is your car really dirty, guys? Let me know in the comments what you all, how are your car? I'm always really curious because my old car, I didn't keep it that clean. You know how it's like when you get a new car, you keep it clean in the beginning and then somewhere along the line you slack. So I don't know. I just was trying to prevent from that happening again. And I'm like, I'm going to be the difference. I want my kids to grow up and have clean cars. So I want to be that example by having that clean car. And as you can see, I'm currently wiping up front, trying to get all my dashboard, clean, and the steering wheel, just giving it a nice little wipe down, y'all. I love my car. It's cute. The aesthetics fits me, and my aesthetics is also clean. So that's another thing. I'm like, clean car. I love when people pull up and they say like, oh my gosh, you wouldn't be able to tell you have 2 kids in the back seat because your car is clean. So I plan on keeping it that way. Don't hold me to it, y'all, because y'all gonna see more car washing videos. I didn't even plan to do this. I just went to the car wash yesterday and I decided like, let me go ahead and clean my car. So anywho, that's it. My car is now clean from the inside and out. Feels amazing. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun content. What should I wash next? Or when should I wash my car next? That's a good question. Am I going to wash it next week? Are we going to have any rain? Because we haven't really had any rain all month of October in Georgia. So that's also been helping me as well. Hey, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. give me pointers, guys. I don't, I'm trying to get better at this content creating thing, and I don't want to give up because I'm not doing as well as I would like. So give me some encouraging words, give me some pointers, give me some constructive feedback or how you all feel, because it seems like people who have car washing videos, it's like they're always doing it so perfect. Like I was supposed to end this vlog like 30 seconds ago, but anywho, guys, again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what you all think. Tell me some things about your car and how you manage to keep it clean. I do have a mini trash can in my car, so that helps me as well. But yeah, again, for real, thank you for watching. See y'all on the next vlog. Bye, y'all.